In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Password Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and this time click on Autofill with Google over here. Now you can finally tap on Google Password Manager and select any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, to save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!